welcome back to the channel, everybody, and another beautiful morning out here on the Delta. This is the first day in like a week that we've had temperatures under 100 degrees, so of course I had to take advantage of coming out here. So we're just gonna do the same old out here on the Delta and see what we can catch. Hopefully we can catch a limit. Hopefully we can break that PB. I'm back at the spot where I did break my PB previously, so let's have a good day. All right, if you like the video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, leave me some comments. Thank you guys for all the support. We're getting real close to 1,000 if we haven't already hit it by the time this video comes out, so appreciate it. All right, let's get to it. All right, well, I'm gonna start back off throwing the wake bait, which is what worked last time we were out here. We were at a different spot, but it's all the same. It's all the same system, so if it worked there, it should work here. And if that doesn't work, then we'll just keep changing it up, try to find them. Oh my goodness, are you serious? I don't even know if I got that on camera, but that fish was smaller than this rat. Oh, that was the first bite I've had, but oh my goodness, that was such a tiny fish. I'd like to find a bite that doesn't include catching them on a Cinco all day long, so I've thrown this around for quite a bit. A fish. Get that skunk out of the boat. All right, 12 and a half. All right, well, got the first one on the Fluke. Miles, remember when I had never even tried the Fluke, and now it's like one of the things I use all the time. All right, thanks, bud. Already having camera issues. Just threw back in here with the Fluke again. Camera's overheating, but we ended up picking up another one. Let's see if he would have been keeper size. I mean, it's pretty close, but not quite. All right, thanks, bud. All right, now that we've picked up a couple on the Fluke, got a couple fish in the boat, let's see if we can get a better quality one with the chatterbait. I haven't caught a fish on a chatterbait in a long time. Last time I was out here at Wimpy's, I hooked into 2 of them, but they both got off. Well, there's one on the chatterbait. Oh my goodness, really? Oh, that's a monster. Well, I've got one on the chatterbait now. Definitely not the quality I was looking for. I still can't believe these little guys hit this rat like this. Alright, still cannot believe those little guys like this will hit that rat. Alright, well, fish number 4, third different bait. So definitely kind of junk fishing out here. Man, that's fun to see them come up and just smash that rat, but I want to catch a big one on it. That's why I keep throwing this. If the little ones are willing to bite it, the big ones have to be too. Well, one thing is, I haven't had to pick up a Cinco yet. Haven't even casted it one time. There's a fish. Oh, come on, stay on, bud. Yeah. This is a decent one. Another little guy. Just came out. Yeah. Alright. That's a chunky little guy. Look at that. Look at that belly on that guy. Let's see if he would have went 12 inches. Nope. Another one that's just shy of it. Alright. Appreciate it. Ooh, good splash, buddy. I saw him come up and get it. Another little one. I laid the hammer on this guy. Look at this. Look at this little fish. You think he wanted that chatterbait? Oh, was a good fish. There's a fish. Another little guy. Another little one. There's a fish. Just what I've been catching. Alright, well, I think that's going to do it for another day out here on the Delta. Still looking for one of those days when I come out here and just hammer 3 and 4 pounders all day long, but I just haven't been able to find that. Maybe I need to broaden my horizons here and search for some new launches, try some new water. So maybe we'll do that next time. But I mean, we still had fun out here, still caught fish. I didn't have to throw around the Cinco at all today. I caught most of the fish on the chatterbait, a couple on the Fluke, I think one on the rat. But, you know, this is just the beginning of the fall transition, so fishing should really start to pick up here. And I'm looking forward to that. And also looking forward to the less boat traffic out here on the water. That's always nice during that time of year, so we're looking forward to that. But I appreciate you coming along, and we'll catch you on the next video. Remember to hit that like button and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. It really helps out the channel. So we'll catch you on the next one. Thank you.